Hey everybody, so I'm gonna nerd out here on you a minute. This is my latest project. This is a case that turn the music down a little bit. Yeah, mute that. So I decided to build a computer out of this stuff that I've got laying around, and this case was originally it was the Dead Moon website slash merchandising slash email everything. It was installed down at the Tombstone store upstairs when we had the store still. Fred and Tootie have since, well, Tootie, well, Fred too. They relinquished the property to a pot shop, which is fine, whatever. So I decided to take this case and kind of do a little bit of a mod. It was one of those cream colored things, and I decided I would paint it black like my heart. Yeah, I still have the sides to do. I don't know if I have got enough paint left to do those, but I may leave it open. So I decided to get a new computer thingy going on here. This is a video card here I've had for a while now. It's a GTX 10 something 60, I guess, whatever. And these old disk drives I had forever. I think one of them came out of my MacBook, and then the other one below it was another low one. But this monitor I got today from off Craigslist for $30, which is cool. So some of the things I bought new were this power supply and this motherboard and the processor and RAM. It wasn't too much. It was more than I wanted to spend, of course, obviously. But this is going to be my new YouTube video producing thing, so that I can use my other computer for whatever the hell and not have to share it. So right now I have 2 DVD writers and 2 hard drives, and then this is a I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see here. It's a little M2 hard drive boot thing I put in there just for Windows. It's kind of nerd stuff. Oh, and I got some Crown Royal today. I decided to treat myself. I'm running out. Anyway, actually I had a half gallon of this that Dave Lycan gave me for Melanie's Wake Day, and I just got done with that, so I figured I would get another one of those, whatever the 5th or I don't know what you call it. So this is my new nerd project. I got the case done. I'm kind of drying these things. I got the little heater in here because it's kind of nasty out here today. It's kind of raining and stuff, and I painted them outside, but except for these little plastic parts, I painted them inside. Yeah, it's just not warm enough for them to dry right. I did get the Rust-Oleum black there. Don't know if I have enough to do the sides yet, but I might do those red just for fun, or maybe a camo. I don't know. But I went through all this. Here's all my old legacy computer junk I tried to get working. I really did. I really wanted that stuff to work because it was going to be fun. But it's just dead. It's dead. All this stuff. One of these computers was that motherboard over here was the original Fred and Tootie Eagle, or I'm sorry, not EagleWorks. Fuck. Dead Moon motherboard. And this one here was out of one of the production PCs from Roseland that died and Kathy just said, yeah, fuck it, take it home. I don't give two shits about it. It's a junk. So anyway, that came out of another case. So I kind of just, I liked the big one best. It painted up pretty well. I don't want to touch it because it's still drying. I'm going to let it dry overnight, I think. So it's going to be the first part of this project is to get the case done. I think I have the computer's running the way I want it to. It's got two displays. One comes off the GTX 1060 and one comes off the processor. Basically it's a Intel 630, which powers this one here. The other computer that runs my shop is the Alienware thing, but whatever. This is going to become my YouTube-y, video-y editor thing. Anyway, I just wanted to kind of make a new video to make sure everybody knows I'm still alive. Heater's in here. It's kind of nice and warm in the shop, actually. Kind of chilly outside, but it's because all the rain and stuff. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, and I'll see you later. Thanks.